Now, I think this looks kind of silly. What if we had, I mean, this hex value doesn't do us any good. What if we said favorite color, colon, and then we displayed a little, just a little rectangle in that color? Yeah, we're just going to make a little empty box in that color. Like it? So we'll make a div. So, okay, we've got our color item here. And I'm saying we don't need any text in there. Well, we don't need the color in there. We'll put favorite color in there. So that can be just a string. And then let's create a div to give the background color to. Const color div equals document dot create element. What? What do I put inside quotes? Do I need to come up with something clever that hasn't appeared anywhere else? No. I just put the type of element, right? Div. Just the tag name. And then I want to set the background color of that. So I'll say color div dot style dot background color equals the color. Then what do I do with the color div? It's just existing out in space right now, right? Not attached to anything. Where do I want it? What should I append it to? The list item?
So where you put color item in there?
Yeah. So let's say color item dot append child color div. I mean, we'll put the background color first. Whoops. Doesn't matter a whole lot. Then we can append the color item to the list and append the list to the div. Does that make sense? So we want this list item to not only have the text favorite color after that, but still inside the LI. We want a div that doesn't have anything in it, but it has the background color. Let's see what happens. Blah, 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 blah. Favorite color, red. Oops. Where's my div? Don't panic. Let's inspect. Here's the LI. Favorite color? There's the div. Why don't I see anything? It says the background color is red. What's in the div? Nothing. So it has no width and no height. So we don't see it. Yeah. So what kind of style? We could set its width and height. Yeah. Yeah, we do that. Or just explicitly set width and height, because it's never going to have any contents. So, yep. How about color div dot style dot width equals 6 rem. Sure. Color div dot style dot height, about half that. 3 rem. Refresh. Try again. Yay! That's better. I can dig it. A rem is a unit that is equal to the height of the default font size. So default font size happens to be 16 pixels in Chrome if you don't set it to something yourself. So It's actually 16 pixels times 6 here, but
So the room would be dependent on whatever their default font size.
yeah. And most people don't change it, but relative to the font size is actually a pretty good way to determine how you want things to be spaced relative to each other. Yeah. Yeah, you can. We're happy with whatever the user wanted as the default, whatever that happens to be. Yeah, you can. Cool. That's a little better. We accomplished something. It's in our working tree right now. Let's stage it, add it to the index. And commit it. Actually add it to the repository permanently. Display color in an empty div. Now it's in our repository locally. Let's push it up to GitHub. Yay. Cool? Groovy.